friends, what's up? Hope you are fine now. So friends, today I'm going to show you again XLM live price prediction. So before starting this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel for more this kind of videos. So let's get start the video. Let's see the live prediction of XLM Stellar. So let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm clicking on the Stellar and let's see the live price prediction of Stellar. Oh my god, it's a very bad for XLM holders. You can see here the change negative 1.42% are changed. Very bad, very bad. And here are you seeing the high rate of XLM Stellar. $0.404587 are the high rate of XLM Stellar. And here you are seeing the price of XLM Stellar $0.397184 and Bitcoin 0.000. And I'm telling you that it is the live price prediction of March 2021 and date is 22. That is the live price prediction, and that is the live price prediction of last hour price prediction you are watching now. So again I am showing you the live price prediction on the chart. As you can see, XLM are going falls down with the rate of a minute going down. You can see here going down. Very bad for XLM holders. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for more this kind of videos and cryptocurrencies updates. Thank you so much for watching.